Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to buy fractional shares on Webull application. So first of all, of course, you would like to go and download Webull application on your phone. Of course, if you don't have that on your phone, you would like to go and download it through Play Store if you're using an Android, App Store if you're using an iPhone, or any other store you could be possibly using. Then you would like actually to go and open the application, then sign up to create your account if you don't have an account. If you do have an account, just ignore all of that, log into your account, and let's just get straight into this tutorial. So let me just go here and open my Webull application, as you should of course if you want to follow this tutorial steps. So as you can see here, that will be actually my home or my main screen, and from here I can actually see the cryptos or the stocks that I already added on my watch list. If you want to add anything to your watch list, you'll find out how in one of our videos in this channel. Just go check that out. So let's say as an example, you would like to trade with Webull fractional shares, or you would like to buy fractional shares. So all you need to do, just select the stock or the ETF you are interested in. So let's use an example. We'll just go here to the markets, or maybe if you have it here on your watch list. So let's just go here to the markets. You'd like here from here to choose from United States markets, markets of cryptos, or the global market. So choose whatever suits you and search for whatever you want to start trading with. So let's use an example. We would like to actually, let's say as an example, just the first one. So I'm actually not using the latest version, so I'll not have the full options, but I'm going to tell you what you have to do if you want to buy fractional shares. So you would like actually under the order type, select the market option, which is gonna be like actually right down here if you scroll down. So all you need to do then, just change the purchase option from whole to fractional shares, and then enter a dollar amount that represent the fraction that you want, and you will be actually good to go. So that's all actually for this tutorial. I hope you guys like it. Thank you guys for watching, and goodbye.